From budget-friendly beginners to high-end pros, explore drone and accessory deals on Amazon's Prime Days by DroneLife staff writer Ian J. McNabb. As Amazon rolls out their annual Prime Deal days between October 8 to 9, DroneLife is taking a look at some drones and drone accessories that have been put on sale for America's latest consumer holiday. Disclaimer: this is not a review or endorsement of these products. Okay, now that that's all over with, here are some items DroneLife saw on Amazon's Prime Deals Day that might help you or someone you know take flight. Pelican Case: here's 15% off on an increasingly standard piece of drone equipment, a watertight, impact-resistant Pelican case with included foam. There's nothing worse than seeing your expensive drone get damaged by improper storage, and if you want to keep your UAV safe the right way, a Pelican case, which features an internal O-ring for a watertight seal and is pretty much indestructible. Editors, note: do not take this as a challenge, is a great way to do it. Holystone HS-175. Holystone has built up quite a rep among budget-conscious drone consumers who like its immense ease of use and easy learning curve, and this HS-175 model is currently available for $135.99, 32% of its $200 list price. It features a 4K eyes camera, a sub-250-gram flyweight, saving owners from FAA registration, and a maximum range of more than 1,000 feet, along with 5 GHz FPV transmission to allow the use of a headset. At a 46-minute runtime, and the HS-175 seems like a great way to get yourself or an interested friend or family member into a drone that will grow with you or them. Holystone HS-600. This more expensive model of the Holystone drone is now available for 20% off, now $339.99. And those extra dollars come with some serious feature upgrades. The HS-600 is fully remote compliant with a built-in receiver, a long-distance 0 feet remote control range, and features direct control of the drone, 4K eyes camera, and surprisingly high quality according to the reviews. Stabilizing gimbals. Add a dual battery setup offering 56 minutes of flight time, and you have a worthy upgrade. Potensic Atom Set Quadcopter. The Potensic Atom Set is another sub-250-gram lightweight drone with a high-quality 4K camera. And the fairly good reviews indicate that customers are happy with its image quality and stability from a 12MP Sony sensor, wind resistance, and strong post-purchase support, which is important for any drone, especially one from a smaller company. Featuring a long potential flight time, around an hour, and intuitive controls from a smartphone, the Atom Set is another great option, which is now available for 23% off, $229.99. Holystone Mini Drone. For kids, kids. They're great, aren't they? However, one thing they may not be great at least at first, is drone piloting. If you're looking to get your kids into drones, could we interest you in a fully functional flying drone for $30? Sure, this mini drone doesn't have a great camera, and it's not super wind resistant, but it's really cheap, can do fun tricks, and won't cause winces when children inevitably run it into a building or, even worse, you. DJI Air 3 Fly More Bundle. This DJI drone bundle is significantly more expensive than any of the other drones we've listed here, but it's available for 20% off and offers an unrivaled feature set at its $1,239.99 price point. Including a high-quality controller, carrying case, and the Air 3, the bundle also includes 3 extra batteries, giving users very impressive flight times. The 48MP camera is the highest quality of any listed here. It has a video transmission range of 20 kilometers, and it has the best software package and technology of any drone in its price range. 20% off is a pretty good deal. Read more